5G Business Security and Technology Training for organizations. Learn how to reduce 5G vulnerabilities. Is your organization safe to financial fraud, hacking or cyberattacks? Why don't check it and fix it? Tonex will be with you all the way along.
The target audience for this course. Designed for individuals who already have a good understanding of how mobile cellular services function. The goal of this 5G wireless security training workshop course is to expand on how security technology and protocols have evolved from the early 90s to today's 5G services.
The main security focus of this course is on 4G and 5G systems. These two generations will remain tightly intertwined well into the next decade. However, 5G mobile networks are only a part of the security landscape.
There are older reliable underpinnings of mobile security that are rapidly changing deployment models for massive machine-type communications, mMTC.
4 days training followed by these essential topics. Global standardization of mobile cellular networks. Concepts of basic information security, InfoSec. Identifiers used in mobile cellular networks. The evolution of subscriber identity modules, SIMs. Provisioning SIMs and embedded SIMs, eSIMs.
The 5G system, 5GS, Service-Based Architecture, SBA. SDN and NFV fundamental to the 5G core architecture. 5G core functions. 5G radio access network, 5G RAN. Centralized RAN, CRAN, for 5G introduction to 5G security. 5G wireless security training workshop.
So, secure your 5G security vulnerabilities. Request more information. Visit www.tonex.com.